Hey everybody, this is Mr. B. Just wanted to walk us through this quick challenge of making a function in Sphero. We talked a little bit about the function concept in Scratch. Now we're going to use it with Sphero. Again, what does a function do? A function is really good for use for a one-time part of the project. In the grand scheme, if we look at Tesla and his factories, Elon Musk factories, each of the robots are intended to make one specific part of a car. That's all they do. They make that part, off to the next part it goes, down the line, the production line. And each of those robots are a function. They do one task, slides down to the next robot, that robot does its task, on down through until the entire car is completely built. In this case, we're just making a function to do one thing, okay? So we want to code it with the different blocks that we want, and then we would call that when we want to use it. Let's explain it. So first, let's learn how to do a function. Create over here on the very right edge, you see this apple green color, and you want to create a function. And all you're going to do is simply give it a name, okay? We're not going to worry about the parameters down below. We're just going to give the block a name. In this one, we're just going to go small square, okay? And simply click the check mark. It starts up there. We're good. That's all it takes. Now, we have to define what small square is. So let's do that, okay? How do we do it? Well, I'm going to go to my movement blocks, and I'm going to use 4 of the roll commands to make this happen. And my first one is always going to be 0. My second one, my speed, I'm going to make everything at 100, at least for right now. And then we'll go for 3 seconds. We'll keep it simple. And then we're going to change it to 90. 100, and then again keep the time at 3. And we're going to do this with each one of these. Now what this will do, once I have this set up, all I got to do is go back over to my function call down here, find my blocks, and oh, there's my block. I'm going to add that to my start program. And when I click start, what happens is Sphero will highlight the green block, come over here, and then highlight the blue blocks that are in that function and perform those tasks. That will roll 0, 100 for 3 seconds. And it's going to turn right at a 90 degree. Then it's going to turn right again at a 180, and it's going to turn right again at a 270. Do you have any questions? That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to make a small block, small square, and then a little bit larger square. But the large square, I want you to go reverse. So instead of going right 90, I want you to go left and see if you can go backwards. Okay? But your square needs to be a little bit bigger. Good luck.